Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make cream easily at home, full guide. Start with cold, heavy cream and a chilled bowl, then use a whisk or mixer. Whip at medium speed until soft peaks form, watching texture closely to avoid overbeating. Add a touch of sugar or vanilla for flavor if desired. Taste and adjust sweetness, then store chilled in an airtight container until ready to use. Whipping cream needs attention and patience to achieve perfect peaks and smooth body for desserts or topping. Keep the whisk moving but avoid high speed that creates butter. Test frequently by lifting the whisk to observe peak shape. Soft peaks will hold but droop slightly. For stabilized cream, whisk in a small amount of cream cheese or gelatin dissolved per instructions. Chill after whipping to maintain firmness and freshness. If you're finding these cream tips helpful, please subscribe and like to support more simple kitchen videos and recipes. Quick recommendation. I spotted a great Read dollar banknote book that can truly change how you think about money, The Simple Path to Wealth, which pairs well with saving for better kitchen tools. Check the description for the link and other deals, then enjoy the rest. Now let's get back to the video. Flavoring cream is simple and lets you customize desserts quickly and confidently. Start with a small amount of sugar or syrup, taste, then add more to reach your ideal sweetness. Incorporate extracts, zest, or liqueurs toward the end of whipping to keep aromas vibrant. For longer hold, stabilize with a bit of cream cheese or gelatin, and always keep whipped cream chilled in an airtight container to preserve texture and safety.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.